Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch photo. First, open your preferred photo editing software. Many popular apps offer built-in sketch filters or tools to achieve this effect. Select a clear, well-lit photograph from your gallery. A good starting image makes a significant difference in the final sketch quality. We'll then explore some initial adjustments. Now, navigate to the Filters or Effects section within your chosen application. Look for options labeled Sketch, Pencil Drawing, or similar. Apply the filter to your photo. You'll likely find sliders to control the intensity or strength of the sketch. Don't be afraid to try out various styles to see which one you like best for your image. Once the basic sketch is applied, it's time to refine it. Use the contrast and sharpness tools to bring out more detail in your sketch. Adjust the brightness and exposure to ensure the image isn't too dark or too washed out. Some apps even allow you to add a subtle paper texture overlay, which can make your digital sketch look even more authentic, like a real drawing. Finally, save your masterpiece. Choose a high-quality format like JPEG or PNG to preserve all the details. Now you can share your unique sketch photo with friends and family on your favorite social media platforms. Keep practicing with different photos and settings. You'll quickly become an expert at transforming your images into beautiful, artistic sketches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.